Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited about today's video because I am not the one cleaning up. So as you can see, we've been having a great time like we do every day. But with a great time comes the aftermath. So today we'll be cleaning up the game room area, my studio, and the kids' room. I'm not a real stickler, if you will, on how they get it done, just that they get it done and they work together to get it done. Really good teamwork skills. It's not just beneficial because I'm not the one cleaning up. I really do think that it improves their ability to work in a group to get a single task done. So let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, I don't have a specific way that I ask them to clean up. They know where things go and however they get them there, as long as it's safely. As you can see here, Ollie has decided to use his favorite truck to put the balls in. Probably not the most efficient way to clean up, but you know, we're having fun. You know, cleaning up doesn't have to be tedious and unenjoyable, so we like to have fun a lot, no matter what we're doing. One day I'm going to get a storage box for all these balls, but Sophie's Barbie dream house just kind of became the place that we put all the balls. They fit, you know, but as you can see, that box is not going to hold up that much longer. And here's Sophie looking in the other camera, proud of all the balls she's picked up. There's that truck again. Guys, I love seeing, you know, like the ideas that my kids come up with, and they come in the strangest of places. You know, like he just saw his truck and, you know, like, I put my cars in here, so why not use this to load up some. It might take a little more time, a little more strength, but I just thought it was a cool idea, and I love seeing that. Again, we like to make cleaning fun. I tell my kids all the time, like, it has to get done, so let's make it fun. You know, it doesn't have to be boring, doesn't have to be a drag, but it's got to get done, so let's make it fun. As y'all can see, Sophie loves the camera. On to the game room area. We love these big blocks. They're fun for adults to play with too. But now it's time to put them up. I think Ollie's tired of cleaning up. Too bad. I'm gonna need him to keep that same energy he had when he was on the tablet. With these blocks, because we build them up on the wall just to, you know, conserve space, keep the space open, there is a certain way you'll have to build them. Just like with any foundation, it has to be strong to continue to build upon and not break. So at some point here in the beginning, Michael, my oldest, and Dez, second oldest, they undo the blocks that Sophie and Ollie lay down and show them how you have to lay them in order for them not to fall down. These are the toy bins. Now, there's no rhyme or reason. I just say put them up there and make them stay. And if it's too big, put it in front. So it's looking good. They're doing a great job. Ollie has found that his skill is stacking blocks and handing it to them. Again, I just love watching them work together, and I tell them, talk to each other and figure it out. So here Ollie is stacking blocks, sitting down and handing them off. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right now. Here we are with a little victory dance, because it's time to move on. This is the boys' room. By this time I had let Ollie go do some learning games on his tablet and sit down. I didn't make them clean up this much at 3 years old. So as with everything, they all get age appropriate, whatever it is. It applies to them and specifically where they are. So Michael and Dez are tasked with finishing cleaning their room. Oh, here he is. He does pop up though. Throw in a little bit. Dad's doing a little celebration dance there. Oh no. Floor catching. Yeah, I'll lift up that window because we still have a Halloween decoration up. Look, don't judge me. We'll take it down. We're gearing up to decorate for Christmas. And I need to finish packing away the Halloween decorations for next year. So you can see Ollie back there doing what boys do. Don't worry, he's okay. It just looked bad. See, he's fine. Whoopee! As far as making a bed goes, they're of course not the way that I would do it, but again, I'm not a stickler about how it looks. As long as it's done, they do their best. I mean, it's a bed. They're gonna get in it later tonight and mess it up all over again. Ollie has a bajillion things under his bed and on top of it. So they're using Mikey's reading lights to look under there. See, I just appreciate all this effort and trying to get the bed made. The end result isn't quite, when they get older, I'm going to expect it to be a little neater, but again, they're just kids. Victory dance here. Moving on. So let let me tell you something about this girl. My baby girl, my Sophie Ray. She likes things pretty particular. So with her video, she spent about 40-45 minutes and barely scratched the surface of her doll house, putting things exactly how she wanted them. So we didn't really get to the end of her video in one day. We decided to come back to it and just show the end results, which you'll see here shortly. I do go in and help her, but I find when I come back to her room, she's moved things again, and I don't mind. I like to move and change my room around as a kid, and I still like to do it as an adult. It just makes things look new and fresh. So here we are at the end. Let's check out the before. Looks like a tornado came through this place. Look at my studio. In the boys' room. A hot mess. Sophie's room, an even hotter mess. I'm like, girl, what do you do in here? But after a lot of teamwork, they were able to get it done by themselves. It's just good for them to, again, work together to get something done. And I know that it helps them think a little bit more about the mess they make and how careful they are with things when they know that they will be the ones cleaning it up. And again, we have fun. We like to have fun anytime we can. Anything that we have to do, you know, again, it has to get done, so let's make it fun. I believe you can create memories in anything, so hopefully my kids will, at least most of their cleanup memories, not all of them, let's be real here, you know, at least they'll have fond memories of how fun it was to clean up together. Oh yeah, here's Sophie's room. So yeah, about 3 days later, like no lie. And her tent has moved. She's made a pallet for her to sit down and read her books. She's just got so many cool things, and she likes them where she likes them. And I'm fine with that. So I just want to thank you guys for joining us for another clean with me. I hope you like and subscribe to our channel and come back. We have a wide variety of videos, but they're all family oriented. It's about family. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.